Hi guys, this is my channel about home brewing, and today we're doing episode 3 about the hops growing in my garden summer of 2018. So hang on. If you haven't watched part number 1 and part 2, please go and watch them first. I will kindly wait for you. I'll put cards up and you will also find the links in the description box, so you get no spoilers in this video. Okay, so we're going to start by checking out the hops in the cage, and then we will go and have a look at the Haltetau Mittelfrau. You remember the big one. Here we have the cage from the outside. You can see some of them have grown a lot since the last episode. Also have some other plants in there we can have a look at. Here we can see the Magnum is still fairly small by comparison. But do you remember when I planted it, how small it was? So I don't expect much from this one this year, but maybe next year. We're up to here now. Here we have 3 cucumbers. We have also 1 yellow squash there and a green squash. And here's another yellow squash. This is the Maurits 85. It's gone very bushy now. The main vine did break on both of these vines, but it's still climbing up from the new shoots. So it's looking very good. Let's move over to the Klostra hops. And this is the Klostra hop plants. We're over the camera. So that one is doing well as well. Don't know if we will get any cones, but the plants are healthy at least. And the last plant I planted this year was the Svalöf S, and that's about 3 meters now actually. So that's going insanely well. So way up high there. So that was a plant inside of the cage. Let's go and check on the big one with the adjustable system. Hang on. So behind me guys, you have the monster, the Haltetau Mittelfrau, and this has been going like crazy. I thought this system will work. Well, it's still working, but I have done some modifications to it, so let's look at them. Since the last video, I have lowered it twice, and I have to lower it quite soon again. Let me show you what I did. The hops are growing up from under there. I mounted some more protection from the deers and the elks. Don't know if the wild boars are interested in the hops. The animal can nibble here, but they won't break the plant totally. I also have moved the vines that were out there further in to protect them. It's growing up here to the tree, nearly. So I hang these cross ropes up here, so I could lower the Haltetau Mittelfrau on top of them. Then I tied them up and back and folded the whole plant on top of itself, just to be able to lower it. Next time I lower it, I have to fold it over here and attach it here, so it can keep on growing upwards and keep on growing bushier to the sides. Let's go and have a look from underneath. Here we get a little better view of it. We see the hop plants within the cage, and the hops make a small roof here and then grows up. So we're gonna have to fold it over at this side for the next time. This ain't the best solution, but we have to manage out. In best of worlds, I would just put a 9-meter stick down in the ground and attach a rope to that. But that's not possible. So guys, that was update number 3 on my hops in my garden. But question of the day, how are your hops doing? Cheers guys, and thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider becoming a subscriber. If you want even more content, why don't you check out my Patreon page and of course all of my other videos. So cheers guys again, and thanks for watching. Dr. Hans out.